I'm sure this would have occurred to one of you because this is part of the creative process. If I'm building a body of work and I wanted, this is mathematically precise because it's generative art. Each one of these is unique, but if we turn off the visibility, you can see that they also interact with one another. And depending upon which one is above the other, you get a different combination of what you're looking at. And then if I crop at this point, all of the subsets, and I would save this and then crop, save a copy of this, and then crop at that point. So I'd still have my original stack because there's no law that says you're limited to 3 iterations when you're building a body of work, but I'm kind of working with triptychs, and that's what I wanted to display this morning to put up on Instagram. And as I was prepping the work, I realized, hey, there's a better way to do this. So just like I've told you, there's always a different way to do the same thing. There sometimes are better workflows that help you become a better artist. And this is one of those moments when you go, it's kind of, dope. How did I not think of this before? And I am looking forward to exploring this now that I've discovered it. So have fun creating, and when you have your own, moments of inspiration and you realize something will work better, share it with me because I learn as much from my students as I impart to you, typically over the course of a year. And I love being a student.